Alright guys, welcome to BDR Outdoors. First duck hunt of the season. Guys are out getting out decoys. Got my man Lucas with us. Say hey, Lucas.
Hey, Lucas.
Got our trusty dog Boone. Got AC down here to the right.
How we doing, guys?
Alright guys, gonna get set up, try to get some footage of some ducks. Keep you posted. Alright, about 4 minutes before shooting light. My man Connor just got back from putting out the decoys. We got a spread of about 24 decoys out here. Alright, 4 minutes, we'll see what happens. Alright guys, first duck hunt of the year. About 43 degrees, temperature is dropping. Windy, rainy. Great spot. Been out here since a little before daybreak. Saw about 12 ducks. My man Lucas Connor's here with me. Lucas, what you got to say about this morning's hunt?
Been a little disappointing. Seen probably good couple groups of wood ducks this morning. Nothing much since shooting light though. How it goes.
Alright guys, well, I think we're going to get them up pretty soon. Call it a morning. And try it again later this week. Stay tuned. Alright guys, so here's the gear for today. Got a A400 Beretta Extrema. Shooting that with a modified choke and number 2 heavy shot by Remington. Camped out down on a swamp. Saw 12 or 13 ducks so far, but nothing's come in and landed on us. But hopefully we'll get an opportunity before the end of the morning. Talk to you guys here in a bit. Alright, we're calling it quits. Getting up the decoys. No luck this morning. Saw a couple more late. We'll give it a try again later this week. Make sure you tune in for the next episode. Hit the subscribe button on BDR Outdoors.